Now we're taking the derivative of a log, and remember it's on bottom, so I have 1 over natural log of the base again times the stuff times the derivative of the stuff, which would be 2. So I get 2 over 2x natural log of 10, and of course my 2's will reduce, so I'll have 1 over x natural log of 10. On this next one, of course, I'd like to split it up because it's kind of messy as a quotient, but I can turn it into subtraction, which will actually make it easier for me. So now when I take the derivative, so for this first term, I want 1 over natural log of the base times the stuff times the derivative of the stuff. And then for the second part, I'll do 1 over natural log of the base times the stuff times the derivative of the stuff. Which means when I simplify, won't be a whole lot of simplifying on this one. Not really much of anything simplifies. And then I'll have 1. And of course, if I want, dependent upon the multiple choice, I could get a common denominator. They do both have natural log of 10, so I'd need to multiply the one over here on the left times x, and then the one over here on the right times x squared minus 1. And I could do all that. I'm pretty sure you could do all that too. Now on this next one, again, I'd like the log stuff to just be a normal, ordinary log. So I'm going to rewrite it. This is t plus 1 to the 1/2, because I'd like to not have that be on it, so I could bring that down in front. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to let that actually go to the very front and be the coefficient on the whole thing, because it'll be a lot easier to take the derivative when there's just a plain old ordinary log quantity. Okay, so I have to use product rule. So there's first times derivative of the second. Whee, that was fun. And derivative of the second is 1 over natural log of the base times the stuff times derivative of the stuff. And then plus second so I treated these as first, second. And then, so there's second times derivative of the first, which would be 3/4 t to the 1/2. And then really, there's not much simplifying to do. That 3/2, t to the 3/2 is on top. Of course, this 2 is in the denominator. So is the t plus 1. And not much over here. T to the 1/2 and log base 2 of t plus 1. So really there wasn't much simplifying to do anywhere on this. And there is my final answer.